So here we're looking at exercise 2.13, and we've got a function on this top graph that is decreasing, comes down, goes at some point around x equals -1, becomes increasing again, and then until x equals 3, and then starts decreasing. And we're supposed to graph or sketch a graph of the derivative function f prime of x. So we're supposed to sketch a graph of that. Now my strategy is to first look for some places on the original graph where the derivative is 0. Like right there at x equals -1, it looks like the derivative is 0. And so when x equals -1 on the grid below, since the derivative is 0, I'll put a point there at -1, 0. Then over here at x equals +3, it looks like the derivative of the tangent line, or the slope of the tangent line rather, is 0 there as well. So on the bottom graph at x equals 3, I'll put a point at 3, 0. In between those 2 points, it looks like the function is increasing. When the function's increasing, the derivative is positive. So on the graph below, I'm going to make positive y values. Exactly how high up we go is not important to me. On the left side of x equals -1, we have the graph is decreasing. If the graph is decreasing, then the slopes are negative. So to the left of -1, I want negative values. And to the right of +3, the slope is decreasing there as well. So for the derivative graph, since the slope is decreasing, I want negative values. So the sketch of my graph looks something like what you see in the bottom.